So right here, I have a multimeter that has a blown fuse. This multimeter has a blown fuse. The 10 amp fuse is still good. As you can see, we get continuity. This other one is set to test continuity right now. But when I go over to milliamps, we're not getting continuity. So we're going to open that one up and change the fuse. So I'm going to turn these off. Get this one out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a fuse. So I have a new fuse here. Why don't we go ahead and test it before we use it. So it's working. So what I have here is a 200 milliamp, 250 volt DC fuse. This one is for 200 milliamps.